Hello everyone, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Modern Warfare 2 or 2.0 is having memory error, which is 191367 error, which is happening for many of the users, and how we can fix this out. So let's dive into it. So the first one and the foremost step we have to try is we have to check the internet connection. So as you can see, we have to go over here, and right now I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. So over here you have to check whether you're connected to the Wi-Fi as well as any wired connection. You have to check yourself the modem is working good, and that is what you have to do. So this is the first one. Moving to the next step is all about we have to restart the game. So what you have to do is we just have to close everything, then you have to try to play the game once again, and you have to see whether that's going to help you guys or not. If not, let's move to next one, that is we have to restart the device. For restarting the device, we have to go over here on the start. Now from here, go to this icon. Now go for restart. After restarting, try to play the game, and you can see the differences. And next one is all about you have to update drivers. For that, you just have to go over here in the start. Now from here, just right click and go to device manager. Now from here, you have to go to display adapters. Now from here, go to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 with Max Q design. Select this, go for update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and make sure they are up to date. This is very important. If they're up to date, try to play the game. If not the same, we have to move to the next one, that is verify integrity of game file. For that, just go over here on this particular folder over here, right click and go to properties. Now from here, go to local file, click on verify integrity of game file. So this is going to take a little bit of time because the game is around 66.64 GB. So when you tap on this, it's going to take a little bit of time because it's very huge. So when you try this, it's going to fix a lot of issues like if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be completely fixed. So you have to try with this and you can see the differences. Next one is all about you have to allow the game to Windows security. For that, just go over here in the search. Now go to control panel. Go to Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, go to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, you have to search for Modern Warfare. So as you can see, it is already added. Call of Duty is already added, and also make sure that both these things, that is private and public, both should be checked. So it is quite important as well. Once it is done with this, try to close everything, try to play the game once again and see whether you are able to fix the issue or not. Moving to the next one is all about you have to check for Windows Update. For that, just go over here in the search. Now go to settings. Over here on Windows Update at bottom left, now make sure that you're on the latest version and up to date. This is quite important as well. Once you're on, if you're getting any update, just update the game and see, and if it's not the update, just update the game and try to play the game. Next one is all about we have to run the game as an administrator. For that, just go over here in the Call of Duty, right click and go to properties, go to local file, click on browse. Now from here, you just have to scroll down and you have to navigate to the COD.application file over here. Right click and go to show more options and go to properties, go to compatibility. Now from here, you just have to click on run this program as an administrator, go for apply and go for OK, then close everything, try to play the game. Next one is all about you have to update the game as well as if any updates are there, just update the game, as well as we have to reset the game. For that, just go over here, go to settings. Now from here, go to apps. Now from here, go to over here on install it app. Now from here, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling and navigate to the game file. So you'll be able to find the game file over here. So now from here, what you have to do is once you found the game, keep on scrolling a little bit. So once you find the game over here, it will be over here. So I'll search for like this Call of Duty. Okay. So if you find the game over here, so right now as you can see the game is there, right click over here and you will be getting an option like reset options will be there. So if the reset option is there, just reset the game. Once you're done with the resetting the game, go back to the stream and try to play the game. Last and least one is all about you have to close unnecessary tasks in the background. Right now, if you go over here in the start, and now if you go to the task manager, it is quite visible that many things are running in the background. So apart from 5 apps which is on my background, that are Premium Pro, Google Chrome, then screen recorder, etc. Many things are there, but apart from this there are many things which is running in my background. So though all these kind of things are draining my performance, so it is quite hard for people. So those who are trying to play the game with 2 GB of minimum RAM, they're going to have the biggest nightmare. So what they have to do is they just have to wait for a couple of minutes and end the task, each and everything. You have to end it, and once it is done, just close everything and try to play the game. And these are the possible workarounds which you have to try out when you have to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 or 2.0 is having memory error 191367, which is happening for many of the users right now. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.